Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video, or welcome if you're new here. Today I have some more deep cleaning for you since you all seem to really like the last one. I'm starting with underneath the fridge again because last time there was some dust that I couldn't get to and I am determined to clean that. So I bought this long brush on Amazon and I'm gonna see if it will work.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
So pretty much I just pushed the brush under and moved it around and tried to knock as much of the dust down as I could, loosen it up, and then vacuumed it.
It's still on caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to...
Okay, so it's definitely working, but it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie, it's hard to get this thing like back behind there. I'm scared I'm gonna break something, so I don't know how much I'm gonna actually do, but you can see some big chunks of dust, and now there's just like dust like all over the floor in here, like so nasty. I wish this was easier to clean. Like, it's kind of crazy how hard it is to get the dust that's behind there, and this brush is meant for that. Like, it's meant for cleaning the coils is what it's called under here. So I don't know, but I'm gonna do the best I can and see how good I can get this.
Afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get. It's a lot better, I think, than it was before. I definitely got some big chunks of dust out from back there, but that is what it's looking like right now.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na.
Okay, I am upstairs right now. I'm gonna clean the tops of all of the door frames. So like this one is in Chase's room. I'm gonna do the top of his closet. I'm gonna do all of them. When we moved into this house, I know I did one of them, maybe two of them. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I didn't get to all of them. So I'm gonna go and do that and see how dirty they are.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah.
How am I still getting more off? I don't understand. I really don't. I just wiped it like 3 times. There's no way. Like, I don't understand what's happening. I need like a taller ladder to see what I'm actually wiping up there. What? What is happening? That is black. Okay. I got a ladder so I could see what's on top of here. Is it dirt or is it something else? Let's find out. Yeah, it's just dirt. Ew. I wish I had seen what this looked like before I started, because I'm sure it was way worse than this. But yeah, it was probably just like caked on with dirt, because I got most of it, I guess, from the middle, but like the little edge I didn't get, and like, you know, the edges. So now that I can see it, I can get the rest of it. Oh my god. This dust, I guess, was just years of buildup from taking showers and it being humid, and then the dust just settling up there. Totally a spot that you might not ever think to clean, but it can definitely collect a lot of dust.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm...
So here is the after of that. Looks a lot better. This is like kind of broken. We're gonna be getting a new door for up here, so I didn't go crazy with it. Like, I'm sure there's probably still like dirt like stuck in here where it's kind of like broken, but I mean, it's a lot better than it was. And so yeah, at least it's better. And then I did like the top of the door frame too, which I didn't get to show you, but you saw the dust from up there. It was pretty bad too. Now it's a different day because I couldn't finish this the other day, but I'm just doing the last two doors. There is a small linen closet door and then our bedroom door.
Down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me.
When you watch these videos, you might notice how often my clothes change, and that's just all the different days that I'm recording these clips. I cannot get this much done in one day. I just don't have the time. So if you don't have that much spare time either, try not to let that discourage you. You can do one thing a day, and before you know it, you'll have gotten so much cleaned that you didn't think you would ever have the time to do.
We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
Here I just noticed that this door had lots of marks and stuff on it, so I gave it a wipe down, but it didn't even help much. All the doors in our house are so old and beat up, so I would like to replace them all eventually. The next thing I want to clean is not the microwave, but underneath the microwave. There is it's all grimy under there. I don't think, when we moved into this house, we had cleaners come to do some cleaning for us before we moved in because it was really, really bad. Still pretty bad, but I do not think that they got underneath here, and I've never done it. These things are not too bad, I don't think, but you can see all the stuck on nastiness under there. So I'll see if I can clean that up a little bit. I am wearing a respirator again here. If you saw my last video, I mentioned this, but I'm using a cleaner called Super Clean, and it's really strong. You don't want to breathe that in, so a mask is a must when using it, but it is a really great cleaner for greasy things like this.
Anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again.
There was this residue under there that looked like it was from a sticker that was there at some point. And what I always like to use to get that kind of stuff off is a product called Goo Gone. It works really well for sticky, gluey residue.
Baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me.
Of course, I couldn't refrain from getting in there with a toothbrush. I was just running this along one of the grooves, I guess you call it, in the door, and I got a bunch of gross gunk out, which is why I hate these above the stove microwaves. They can get so nasty just from cooking oils and everything rising up right into them.
Baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again.
These are the filters that just pop out from underneath the microwave. They weren't even that bad, I was surprised, but I just gave them a wash anyway, just with hot water and dish soap, and then I let them air dry. The next thing I wanted to clean was our bathroom light fixture. It has been needing to be cleaned since we moved in pretty much. I did wipe it down once before, I think, but I never took the shades off and gave them a good wash, so that is what I'm going to do here.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, spend my coin for sure.
You can see all the dust that's settled on there. Pretty gross. And I just realized the heater was on before, so there was probably an annoying humming through everything I just said before because it just turned off. And now it got really quiet in here.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
I just sprayed these down with Pine Sol, and I used a toothbrush to give them a good scrub just to make sure I got all the grooves really well.
try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
Afterward, I thought it looked so much better. It seemed like the light was more clear, and it just goes to show that even the ugliest light fixture can look nice when it's cleaned up. That is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and got some motivation to clean those sometimes forgotten about areas in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!